Hello everyone. In this presentation, we are going to learn about sex determination in human being. As we all know that humans reproduce by sexual reproduction. That means two individuals of different sex are involved in the reproduction. Now here, the fusion of male gamete, that is sperm, and ovum, that is female gamete, takes place. First of all, we will see how sperms are produced. In case of males, sperms are produced in testicles. Testicles contain germline cells which are diploid. Diploid means two sets of chromosomes. Now here, the germline cell contains 44 autosomes and two sex chromosomes, that is X and Y. Now, this germline cell undergoes meiosis. Meiosis is divided into two parts, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, a germline cell divides and forms two haploid cells. Haploid means single set of chromosome. Now, here two cells have haploid set of chromosomes. That means meiosis is a reductional division. Now, what do you mean by a reductional division? Reductional division is a type of division in which chromosome number is reduced to half of the original chromosome number. After meiosis 2, there are 4 sperms produced. Each sperm is haploid. That means it carries a single set of chromosome. In this case, it is 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. So this was about the production of sperms in humans. Now let us understand how ova are produced. In case of females, ova are produced in the ovaries. Ovaries contain germline cells which are diploid. That means there are two sets of chromosomes in which we have 44 autosomes and two sex chromosomes, that is X and X. Now these germline cells divide by meiosis. In meiosis 1, again two haploid cells are formed. That means which contains single set of chromosomes, that is 22 autosomes plus one sex chromosome, that is X. After meiosis 2, 4 haploid cells are produced. That is, each cell contains single set of chromosome, that is 22 plus a sex chromosome, that is X. So this was all about the production of ova. Now, when fertilization takes place, that is fusion of gametes takes place, if a ovum is fertilized by a sperm which carries 22 autosomes plus one sex chromosome, that is X, then the child born would be a female which is diploid, which contains two sets of chromosomes, 44 autosomes and two sex chromosomes, that is X and X. Now, if ovum which carries 22 autosome and one sex chromosome, that is X, is fertilized by a sperm which is carrying 22 autosomes and one sex chromosome, that is Y, the child born would be a male which is a diploid. That means there are 44 autosomes and two sex chromosomes, that is X and Y. So this was all about the sex determination in human being. Thank you.